From the beginning. What RPM is the spindle at right now?
500.
500. Does it go any higher on this program?
Not on this program, but I can stop it.
That's fine. That's good. It looks like it's doing some pecking right now.
Yeah, it's doing a drill cycle right now.
Yeah, and you said it was a 96, 1996?
I believe it's a 96.
Yeah, 7,500 RPM. You said spindle.
Yeah, 2-speed gearbox.
20 what?
2-speed gearbox.
2-speed gearbox, high-low. It's got a 20 slot carousel. Is it going to do a tool change here pretty quick?
Not on this program.
Okay. That program you were running before where it did a tool change, I wouldn't mind seeing that one again.
Oh yeah, that's just a power up.
Oh, okay. Oh, the homing program?